KODAK Luma 350 Portable Projector Real Review. Still the best hotel room cinema in 2025?
Never checked into a hotel, flipped on their ancient TV, and realized you're stuck with 3 channels and a remote that needs a hazmat suit? I stared at my screen for 3 hours last month in Prague, desperately trying to make a 55-inch hotel TV feel like home. Does this sound like your Tuesday night on the road? Let me know in the comments.
That dull ache when you just want to unwind with your show, but you're stuck squinting at a phone or wrestling with terrible hotel Wi-Fi and a streaming stick that refuses to connect. The quiet resentment of paying $300 a night for a room, yet feeling like you're in 2005. Cheap Bluetooth projectors, phone mirroring, hotel cable. I tried them all and still ended up brain-fried and showless. I knew there had to be a way to just watch something, anywhere, without the fight.
Then I discovered the KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector, and everything changed. It's literally soda can sized, but runs full Android 6 with Netflix, YouTube, Prime, and Disney Plus pre-installed. No dongle, no phone hotspot, just Wi-Fi and go. 150 ANSI lumens can actually look bright up to 100 inches in a dark room. Built-in battery that delivers real 2 to 2.5 hours. AirPlay and mirror-capped mirroring that just works. And a speaker loud enough you don't always need external audio. One nomad told me he was 10 minutes from another sleepless hotel night doom scrolling on his phone. Pulled out the Luma 350, threw 120 inches of Stranger Things on the ceiling, and finally slept happy. That's the magic. You're not setting up a projector. You're turning any wall or ceiling into your personal cinema in under 60 seconds flat.
It's not just me living my best hotel life. A full-time digital nomad with 38 countries on his Luma says it's still his only screen in 2025. Another parent swears their kids watch Bluey on the ceiling every night, and the projector has survived 3 years of being knocked off nightstands. A reviewer who tested every Pico projector in 2024 said the Luma 350 is still the only one that runs licensed Netflix without jumping through hoops. Thousands of us refuse to travel without it. Yet, it's not 500 lumens bright, but when you're watching in a dark hotel room or backyard and it's brighter than you actually need while fitting in your jacket pocket, that only 150 lumens complaint becomes the best feature ever. The feature that surprised me most, how good the built-in speaker actually is. I rarely even pack Bluetooth anymore. See why we all sound slightly obsessed? Which would save your next trip more? Never fighting hotel TVs again, or 150-inch movies from your pocket?
Imagine landing after a brutal flight, kicking off your shoes, and having a 120-inch cinema waiting in your carry-on. No dongles, no dead batteries, no disappointment. Join the nomads, parents, and road warriors who made the KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector their secret weapon and never looked back. If you're ready for that kind of freedom, I've dropped the link below. Check it out. If it feels like your kind of magic, awesome. If not, keep suffering with hotel TVs. Either way, safe travels.